On today's episode of Home Cooking Made Easy, we will be teaching you how to make the eternal chicken parm. First, prepare your ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Firmly pound the chicken with the smooth side of a meat mallet to a thickness of half an inch. Remember, it's important at this stage to keep all meats separate. You do not want them to bond just yet. Step 3. Season the chicken thoroughly with salt and pepper. Using a strainer, sprinkle flour over the chicken breasts, evenly coating both sides. Step 4. Assembling. Do not allow any blood to touch the meat during this process. If you find there is a sudden gash anywhere on your body, vacate the premises and die somewhere Step 7. Wrap the omasum around the now butchered livestock, allowing the chicken parm to absorb the now remaining. For the final step, place the obelisk in your fridge, allowing it to grow and breathe as needed. The livestock remains will be sufficient enough to sustain the chicken parm for a year's time before it begins to deflate. Congratulations! You have now made the eternal chicken parm. Cut off a slice for yourself or enjoy with others. Make sure no bodily fluids make its way into the chicken parm's circulatory system. Always wear gloves when handling the chicken parm, and never allow small animals or children within grabbing distance. Enjoy!